When Photoshop was created in 1989 by John Knoll, he could not have foreseen the impact it would have on the world of photography. Its ability to alter, manipulate, and create images has raised concerns about the authenticity of photos and their potential misuse. However, as with any tool, it is the intent of the user that ultimately determines its impact. Today we face a similar debate with the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in photography. Some photographers argue that AI is killing the art of photography, but it is essential to remember that AI is just another tool like Photoshop that can be used to enhance creativity and artistry. The concerns surrounding AI's impact on photography can be better understood if we consider that AI is a reflection of our own humanity or lack thereof. Just as a hammer can be used to build a house in the hands of the right person or be wielded as a weapon in the hands of the wrong person, AI's influence on photography depends on how it is utilized by the artists and individuals employing it. In March of 2004, Katie Hafner wrote an article in the New York Times titled, "The Camera Never Lies, but the Software Can," highlighting the concerns surrounding Photoshop when it was first introduced. Despite these concerns, Photoshop has become an integral part of modern photography, allowing photographers to push the boundaries of their creativity and develop new techniques. It is important to consider the potential of AI in photography similarly. AI's ability to analyze, process, and manipulate images has opened up new possibilities for photographers. For instance, AI can assist with automatic image enhancement, color correction, or even the removal of unwanted objects from an image. Just as Photoshop enabled photographers to perfect their images, AI can help streamline the editing process and allow them to focus on their artistic vision. The photography industry has continuously evolved with new technological advancements, and AI is no exception. As with the introduction of Photoshop, AI will undoubtedly change the landscape of photography. However, true creatives and artists will adapt and harness this new tool to create innovative and groundbreaking works of art. As we have seen with the widespread use of Photoshop, the potential for abuse and manipulation of images exists. Yet, it is vital to recognize that AI is not inherently negative. It is how people choose to utilize it that determines its impact. By acknowledging that AI is a reflection of our own humanity, we can take responsibility for using it ethically and creatively, ensuring that it contributes positively to the evolution of photography. Ultimately, AI's role in photography is in the hands of the artists who use it. By embracing AI as a tool for creativity and innovation and recognizing the responsibility that comes with its use, the photography community can continue to thrive and evolve in this new era. In conclusion, we would like to thank our readers and listeners for subscribing to our content and supporting thoughtful discussions on the ever-changing landscape of photography. If you enjoy audio podcasts, we highly recommend tuning in to The Art of Seeing. This captivating audio drama follows the journey of Mackenzie as she navigates the competitive world of photography. To experience Mackenzie's story and gain valuable insights into the art and industry of photography, visit photomentorradio.com. For more inspirational and educational information, visit youtube.com/@photomentor.